Hello children, today we will learn types of sentences. But before we go further, let us know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. For example, Rahul is a good boy. This is a complete sentence. Let us see the another sentence. A boy Rahul good is. This is not a sentence because the words are not arranged properly. So whenever we make a sentence using words, all the words should be in a proper order. If not, it will not make a sense. And every sentence, it begins with a capital letter. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. And every sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. Let us see the types of sentences. There are four types of sentences: statement sentences, question sentences, command sentences, and interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentences. So the first one is statement sentences. Statement sentences are also called as declarative or assertive sentences. Declarative means a statement in the form of declaration, and assertive means having clear opinion. Question sentences are also called as interrogative sentences. Command sentences are also called as imperative sentences. Imperative we can say like essential or urgent. Last one is exclamatory sentences. Let us talk about these sentences one by one. First one is a statement sentence. Such sentences makes a statement such as a fact, opinion or an idea. Such sentences makes a statement such as a fact, opinion or an idea. They pass on information and they end with a full stop. So we can see that statement sentences are those sentences which tells us something, For example, the teacher taught us a new lesson. You are good students. Both these sentences begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, and both these sentences tells us something. So both these sentences are statement sentences. Second one is a question sentences. Very easy to identify question sentences because there is a question mark at the end of the question sentences. Such sentences ask questions. They end with a question mark. For example, where are you going? This is a question. Someone is asking to some other person that where are you going? This is a question sentence and there is an question mark at the end of the sentence. Have you eaten your breakfast? This is again a question and it ends with a question mark. Next one is command sentences. Such sentences are used to express a command, a request, an advice, a suggestion or an order, and they also ends with a full stop. As I said before that the statement sentences ends with a full stop. Command sentences also ends with a full stop. So how to identify both the types of sentences? In case of statement sentences, these sentences that tells us something, but command sentences, it doesn't tell us anything, right? For example, you are a good boy. This sentence tells us something about that boy. And if I take example from command sentences, that give me a glass of water, this sentence doesn't tell us anything, but there is a command, there is an order in this sentence. So this is a command sentence. Let us see examples to make it more clear. An example of command: stop talking. This is a command sentence. Give me a glass of water. This is a request from someone. An advice: take medicines regularly. Advice from your doctor. A suggestion sentence: do your maths homework first. This is a suggestion from your mother. Next sentence is go outside the class. This is a order from your teacher. So this is a order sentence. So all these sentences in which you can find a command, a request, advice, a suggestion or an order, all these comes under command sentences. So command sentence is also called as imperative sentences. Next one is a exclamatory sentences. Such sentences express feelings and sudden emotions like joy, sorrow, shock, fear, etc. They end with a exclamation mark. Such sentences express sudden feelings or a sudden emotions like joy, sorrow, shock, fear, etc. Example: what a beautiful flower. This sentence, it starts with a word what, but this is not a question. This is a feeling which comes from within you. What a beautiful flower. And there is an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. So this is a exclamatory sentence. Other examples are wow, that's too good. Oh, I didn't see you. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. When we say it's unbelievable, it's a sudden emotion of shock. When someone tells us news which we are not thinking of, like this, we can say that it is unbelievable, right? So let us see some of the examples. You have to identify the sentences given and write the type of sentence. It was raining. This sentence ends with a full stop. Two sentences ends with a full stop. Either it is statement sentence or command sentence. But if you can see that there is no command in this sentence, so this is a statement sentence. Don't talk, get out. This is an order. Someone is asking to some other person, don't talk, get out. Which one is your favorite subject? There is a question in the sentence, so this is a question sentence. Sit down. What type of sentence this is? This is a command sentence. Honesty is the best policy. This is a fact. So all the facts comes under statement sentences. Next one is, are you ready to go? There is a question in the sentence. There is a question mark at the end of the sentence. So this is a question sentence. Hurrah, we won the match. This is a sudden feeling or the sudden emotion of joy. So this is exclamatory sentence. The sun rises in the east. This is again a fact. So this is a statement sentence. Ouch, it's hurting me. After ouch, you can see there is an exclamation mark, right? So this is a exclamatory sentence. Where do you live? This is a question. So this is a question sentence. So these are the four types of sentences: statement sentences, question sentences, command sentences, and exclamatory sentences. Thank you.